I mean, I could wear this every day, all day.
Yeah.
Right. It's so nice.
It's so nice. It's nice, huh?
That's you.
It's just pretty.
The color of you, the cut, the style.
Yeah, this is really good. I love the color.
Yes.
How does it feel? Shake your head.
Oh my God, I
That's
love
it.
it.
That looks so good.
It is so light. It
is.
feels so good.
Yes.
I love it.
Yeah.
I've never. Oh my God, I love it.
That is
gorgeous.
It's
Yeah.
How did you hear about us?
You know what? My neighbor, she was here last weekend.
Okay.
And she bought 2 of them.
Who's your neighbor?
Sharice.
Okay, I remember Sharice.
She
Yeah.
said, somebody's name was Jerry.
Janice.
Denise.
Yeah, that's me. That's
Okay.
me.
And she showed me the wig. And she said, girl, I walked out there with 2 wigs. And she showed them to me. I said, girl, I never seen nothing like that before.
Yeah.
The packaging, it was off the chain. The hair, beautiful. And I said, girl, I'm going over there. She said, yeah, I think they have layaway. I said,
Definitely do.
oh my God, it's on and cracking.
And you see when you pull this up,
Look
it
at that,
has-
Deborah.
It has a little bit of baby hair here. You just kind of pull it out there and give it a really natural look.
Oh my God. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. Love it. I'm so glad we came.
That's the one.
Yeah.
This is the one right here.
Yeah.
I'm going to try on no other one.
That's the
We
one.
can try on some more. You still wanted to try on this one, right?
No,
No? Okay.
I'm sold.
Okay.
I'm sold.
Now this is the one you liked a minute ago.
I did.
Uh-huh.
That's
Since
true.
you
Okay.
tried that one.
Yeah, but
You
we
want
gonna
to try it back on just to see?
No.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, that's the one.
This is the one.
Oh yeah.
I love it. I mean, it just feels like it feels so natural.
It looks so
And it's so
natural.
light.
It looks natural.
And the color is beautiful. This is my color. I love it.
How does the hair feel?
It feels wonderful. It feels light. It's soft. Oh my God.
And I can refresh the curl for you also.
Oh my God. I love it. I'm sold. I'm sold.
Okay, we'll get it ready. All right, thank you. I'll get on a little later, guys. Bye.